As usual, I always talk completely informal way. Because basically, we are same human being, mentally, emotionally, physically. And also, you see, everyone is want happy life, and everyone have the right to achieve happy life. So I just call, dear brothers, sisters, indeed I am very, very happy. A great honor to participate in this sort of, summit. Legacy. I think that survival, right? That old person, I think his presentation really touched in our heart. So Hiroshima, a city or human community, everybody loves their life and make every effort to survive. But then, all of a sudden, a nuclear bomb dropped. The damage, unthinkable. My first visit here, Hiroshima, I think in 60 or late 60 or something, I can't remember now very clearly. So I visited the place, you see, this building stand there. And then also I had the opportunity to visit exhibition. Really terrible. So anyway, two cities of Japan, Hiroshima, Nagasaki, experienced nuclear bomb. I think first time, and I'm quite sure also last. Although sometimes nuclear weapon used for what we call deterrent, but still it brings a lot of fear. And if some mad person come, or even normal person who have absolute power, and mind become fully emotion, then naturally, emotion, when our mind fully dominated by emotion, then there is no room reasoning. So often you become mad. So therefore, the elimination of nuclear weapon is very, very essential. So such sort of meeting, of course, such one meeting or a few Nobel laureates and some other people, I think it is beyond our control. You see, to eliminate nuclear weapon. But we are part of that. Every level, everywhere, I think have to make effort. Here, I always have the perhaps vision. Eventually, we should have vision the world without, military sort of forces. World should create a demilitarized one. Perhaps I think so long terrorists, these remains little sort of well organized or what we call mobile sort of forces. Wherever you need, you can use and controlled by like United Nations or some other world body. Otherwise, each individual country should be demilitarized. That's our ultimate goal. Perhaps in my lifetime, it may not achieve. But our generation, I think, have to think and talk more people. And like you said, that old person, you see, I hope, you see, his sort of personal story should make some kind of short documentary. And I think, if possible, the all school on this planet, you see, should learn, you see, that, and let them see what really horrible thing with nuclear weapon. And so that's my view. I think, time?
You're good on time, yes.